Dark circles. Dark circles. She looks tired because of dark circles under her eyes. Acne. Acne. She feels embarrassed because of the acne on her face. Body odor. Body odor. She uses deodorant to control body odor. Dandruff. Dandruff. She wears dark clothes, but dandruff flakes are visible. Hair fall. Hair fall. She is worried because her hair fall is getting worse. Sunburn. Sunburn. He got sunburn after staying outside too long. Wrinkles. Wrinkles. Wrinkles appeared on her face as she smiled. Split ends. Split ends. She cut her hair to remove the split ends. Oily skin. Oily skin. His oily skin makes his face look shiny all day. Dry skin. Dry skin. Her dry skin becomes rough in winter. Freckles. Freckles. She has freckles on her nose from spending time in the sun. Chapped lips. Chapped lips. His chapped lips hurt when he smiles. Puffy eyes. Puffy eyes. She woke up with puffy eyes after crying. Blackheads. Blackheads. Blackheads appear on his nose frequently. Whiteheads. Whiteheads. Whiteheads form on her chin every week.